One of the most exciting new smart locks around is the Aqara Smart Lock U400, and it's all about ultra-secure wireless tech, deep smart home integration, and lots of different ways to unlock your door. So its headline party trick is this: hands-free unlocking with Apple Home keys. So let's start there because it feels like magic the first time you try it. We've actually installed this on the back door here, and what happens is that you just walk up to your door with your iPhone or your Apple Watch in your bag or pocket, and the door just simply unlocks as you arrive. That's because the Smart Lock U400 uses ultra-wideband, or UWB, which is a lot like extremely precise radar for very short distances. And it measures two things: how far away your phone is and the direction it's coming from. And this is really important. It does this using time of flight and angle of arrival calculations, so the lock knows when you're actually standing right at the door intending to enter, not just walking past inside with your phone in your pocket. Now that means it's hands-free and highly secure because it unlocks only when you mean it to, and I think that's really clever technology. So right now this works with Apple Home keys on many iPhones and Apple Watches, but the lock is designed to support broader UWB standards in the future, which is super good for you guys on Android phones. So this means that the U400 is not just locked into the Apple ecosystem going forward. Android users will be able to tap into the same benefits. Once you've integrated the Smart Lock U400 with Apple Home, you can share digital keys, remove them again instantly, and manage everything remotely. So you won't need to cut spare keys again or hide them under plant pots. You can simply send someone secure access to your door. Now, hands-free unlocking is great, but what if your Apple gear isn't up to spec or you're an Android user? Well, there are still lots of options, which is great news. NFC cards let you get to give different people the right level of access without taking the risk of handing out a permanent physical key. But if you want to manage access without handing physical keys at all, you can use the keypad as well. The lock supports multiple separate passcodes, allowing you to create distinct numbers for family members, guests, tradies, and more. Biometric unlocking is an option too, and the Smart Lock U400 can store multiple different fingerprints. And that allows you super quick access without the need for phones, cards, or even codes for all your extended family and for your guests. And you can also use voice assistants such as Alexa to unlock your door, which is great when you have arms full of shopping. Plus, it comes with a set of physical keys as a backup unlocking method, sort of to go old school. Now, home security isn't just about opening doors, it's about closing them too. So if you've ever had that moment halfway down the street when you thought, oh God, did I actually lock the front door? Well, you'll love this. The U400 Smart Lock has a built-in gyroscope that knows when the door closes and automatically locks it for you. So no extra sensors, no add-ons, really just peace of mind. And you can turn auto lock on or off using the button on the lock or the Aqara app, so easy peasy. Working in tandem with the mirrored locking options on the Smart Lock U400 is some powerful technology, and that allows it to become part of your whole smart home system. It combines with Matter and Thread protocols so that devices from different smart home ecosystems, so think Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings, they all can work together seamlessly. This enables handy automation scenarios where, say, once the U400 unlocks the door, the lights in the hallway turn on, the security alarm is disabled, and an SMS notification is sent to the homeowner. Or, for example, I've set it up so when it gets dark outside, then it automatically locks the door. Or you can even use a security camera, and if it tracks a face that it doesn't recognize, it'll automatically lock the door. And because the Smart Lock U400 uses Thread-based tech, you also get low power use and reliable connectivity built specifically for smart home devices. Smart. Of course, smart locks still need to be locks, right? And the U400 is one designed for everyday use. It has IP65 weather-resistant housing, plus a durable build for indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it has a rechargeable 4880 milliamp hour battery, which, depending on the usage, is good for around 6 months of use per charge. So you don't have to be recharging it very often. And the rechargeable design also means fewer disposable batteries, which is good for convenience and definitely good for the environment. In the box, you'll find the U400 lock, rechargeable battery, keys, mounting hardware, and the installation guide. And if you're comfortable with basic screwdriver jobs, installation is pretty straightforward, but professional installation is always an option if you prefer. So that's the Aqara Smart Lock U400, a door lock that focuses on what actually makes day-to-day life easier. A quick recap: you get walk-up, hands-free unlocking, super flexible access for family and guests, compatibility across major smart home platforms, strong security with smart automation, and durable design for real-world homes. If you've been waiting for a smart lock that finally feels seamless, this might just be the one. So please be sure to leave us a comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm Val Quinn. Thanks for joining us for this Gadget Guy video. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next tech videos, or even give us a like. See you in the next one.